In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Liquid Web and app.impact.com. Let's dive right in and explore each step to ensure a smooth and successful setup to becoming an affiliate. First, you'll want to head over to the Liquid Web website. This is where you'll find a range of hosting solutions designed to fit your needs. They offer fast and secure VPS, cloud, and bare metal servers tailored specifically for your business requirements. Once you're there, look for the Partner Programs section. This is an essential step as it's where you'll find all the information on becoming an affiliate and leveraging the benefits of partnering with Liquid Web. After clicking Partner Programs, you'll be directed to a page showcasing their current offerings. Don't hesitate to click on See Current Programs to reveal a detailed list of the existing opportunities they have tailored for affiliates. This will give you a comprehensive overview of the options available, helping you to make informed choices tailored to your skills and audience. Once you're familiar with the outlined programs, click on Find Out More. This link is your gateway to in-depth details about what it's like to partner with Liquid Web, including benefits, tools, and support you can expect to receive. It's crucial to review this information to maximize your strategies and align them with your marketing goals. Now it's time to take the leap and start the process to become an affiliate. By clicking this button, you'll begin the journey of building a partnership with a company renowned for its exceptional hosting services. This is where the real adventure begins, so prepare yourself for a rewarding experience. Next, you'll be redirected to app.impact.com, where you can officially sign up for the affiliate program. Signing up is straightforward. Just ensure your contact information is accurate and complete all mandatory fields to avoid any delays in processing your application. Before you proceed, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions on the sign-up page. Make sure to read them carefully. Once you're ready, click on the checkbox to acknowledge your acceptance and then hit Continue. This step is extremely important because it governs your participation and ensures transparency between you and Liquid Web. Finally, to simplify the process, you can select to sign up using your Google account for easy access and management. This method speeds up the process and connects your credentials for a seamless experience. Just remember that linking your Google account is optional, but recommended for convenience and security. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to becoming an affiliate with Liquid Web, equipped to start your partnership journey. Thank you for joining us today, and good luck with your new venture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides and tutorials.